Kentucky Wonder by Randy in eastern Kentucky on this beautiful August day, August the 22nd, 2026. Sunny day. Here the lawnmowers are running. Tractor are going, cutting hay. And I'm resting for a change. But the breeze has been a blowing. I thought, well, I'll film this flag blowing. I'm sitting here in front of this dogwood tree. I see a nest up in there with a bird in it. Let's see if we can see the bird. Right there. It's moving a little bit. Bird in the dogwood tree in Kentucky. First time I'd seen it. Sit down here in the chair. Beautiful breezy day. Supposed to get a shower this afternoon. This is Kentucky Wonder by Randy saying bye-bye from eastern Kentucky.